Welcome into Garnet and Gold Grub, presented by Tico People's Gas. I'm Catherine Phillips, alongside award-winning chef Travis Johnson, and he's going to walk us through a delicious tailgate recipe today. Chef, what do you have?
Today we're going to make a Southern classic, and personally one of my favorites, chicken and waffles.
That's a lot of people's favorite.
I know, and what's awesome about chicken and waffles on game day is you can enjoy it anytime during the day. Breakfast, afternoon, late dinner snack. We're excited. Should we get started?
Let's get started.
Okay, so we started out, the chicken we're working with today is an 8-piece cut. So we have breast, leg, thigh, and wing. And we start out by marinating that in some dry spices.
Okay.
So I like to use a combination of spices with garlic and onion powder and a little bit of cumin, black pepper, salt, paprika, and chili powder. And I do a dry rub, let it sit for probably about an hour or two, and then I drop it into buttermilk, and it's been sitting for 24 hours overnight. And this is where it gets a lot of its flavor. And now we're at the point where we need to dredge it in some seasoned flour and then get ready to fry it.
Okay.
So let's get started. So as we dredge the chicken, and you can start to smell some of the aromatics there coming off of the chicken.
I smell it already.
You want to coat it pretty evenly and make sure that it's good and covered. In the flour, I just lightly seasoned with a little cracked black pepper and some kosher salt. And we'll bring the oil up to between 375 and 400 degrees for frying today.
Okay.
Now I'm going to start by cooking the breast and the thigh. Put those in first because they're going to take the longest.
So you're using natural gas. What are some of the benefits of that?
Some of the benefits of natural gas is really being able to control the heat. For an application like this where we want to get the oil pretty hot pretty quickly in order to fry the chicken, I'm able to raise that temperature up, then also regulate it as we're cooking. We're going to go ahead and let that cook. It'll cook for about 7 or 8 minutes on this side, and then we'll flip it over on the other side, and it'll be ready to go.
Awesome.
Wow, you can really start to smell the chicken.
You really can.
See, now let's take a look. See how it's browning and golden and crisp on that back side? Oh, that looks awesome.
Oh my gosh.
Pull our waffle. I like to use this is more like a Belgian waffle style. So it's a little bit thicker and just tastes wonderful. All right, so as this chicken finishes up, as we take it out of the grease, always want to get a pan with just some paper towels, works really good to get some of the excess grease off before we serve it. And look at that.
That looks so good.
That looks like lunch. Nice. All right, so we have our waffles. We have our Belgian waffles that came out. Chicken, we'll go here with one of the legs and the thigh. And then we'll come back and we've prepared some whipped Tabasco honey butter. And this is just incredible. We're gonna smear this on our waffle. And what makes this even better is we're gonna finish this with the vanilla maple syrup. And it's okay to go over the chicken with the syrup as well.
Oh my gosh.
Should we try?
Let's do it.
All right. Looks really good. Get a little bit of the waffle in there, and I'm just gonna. Now that is good honey chicken and waffles.
It's so good. So good. Well, for more information on how you can incorporate natural gas at home, at your business, or at your next tailgate event, log on to peoplesgas.com/cooking.